Hi parents and family members, it's Mrs. Lane. The purpose of this video is to explain to you how we will use the student agenda this school year in the second grade classroom. The agenda contains weekly calendars throughout the school year that will help your child stay organized and keep track of their assignments that they have, as well as important events and reminders. The calendar side of the agenda will be used for students to write down their homework each day, as well as any important reminders. The right side of the agenda will be used to record the at-home reading log minutes, book title, and parent initials. Let's take a closer look at the reading log. Your child should read every night at home for 20 minutes. After your child reads, you should help them to record their reading in the student agenda. Help them to record the title of the book they read, how many minutes they read. They should read at least 20 or more. And you, as the parent, the adult, should initial that they have completed this reading. This should be done every night, Monday through Friday. If not Friday, at some point over the weekend, your child should do his or her 20 minutes. When the week is over, your child will have read for a total of 100 minutes. So look for the student agenda to come home each night and be sure to send it back with your child to school each morning. Thank you for your help with making our home and school team connected.